Hi Draw So Cute fans! Oh my gosh, can you believe it? It's been a whole year already. What an amazing journey it's been. I've lost count, but YouTube says I have 133 videos on my channel. Wow, right? See? Practice does make you better. Looking back at my first row of drawings, you can definitely tell I've improved. I hope. I made this anniversary video for you because I wanted to thank you for making it possible for me to keep doing what I love. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your love and support. I especially love your comments, which are the highlight of my day. Even though I can't reply to every comment I get, I wanted you to know that I do read them all and that you are being heard. I really appreciate them so much because it really encourages me to keep drawing and it inspires me to be better. I hope I've inspired and challenged you too to love drawing. Most importantly, I hope I've made it fun. I'm so looking forward to another awesome year of drawing for you. Keep practicing and don't give up. So happy 1 year anniversary to us, and I can't wait to be drawing with you for many more. As a present to you, you can download this whole image on my website at www.drawsocute.com and use it for your personal wallpaper if you like. I love you, happy drawing, and see you later.